What is good, YouTube? We back with another video. You already know what we're putting on the car today, bro. We got the new e-brake just sitting right back, back there, right back there. So I'm gonna go ahead, set the camera up right on the car hood probably, because they got that good lighting right now. But unbox it. I already opened it, but I want to unbox it for y'all so y'all know what at least the packaging looks like a little bit. So let's flip the camera.
Alright, y'all. So first off, let's start with the easiest, the e-brake button. Got this chrome red. It looks so damn sexy, bro. So go ahead and put that right there. Then moving on, we got the new e-brake, bro. In a little box, it had plastic wrapping around it, but I already took it off. And here is the e-brake still in the box. And it's a real carbon fiber e-brake. You can just tell, it looks so nice. See the waves and everything. Let's go ahead and move on inside of the car. Alrighty, so once we're in the car, so it's a weird angle, but it's the only way I can get y'all to actually see this. When we're in the car right now, see how it's like kind of like, you can kind of feel it twisting back and forth. I've seen a lot of people install these. All you want to do is actually heat it up with a heat gun. And then, oh, let me see if I can change it. There we go. All you want to do is heat up with a heat gun. And then you should just be able to twist it and pull off like right at that moment. I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse it. And then just pretty much me heating up and trying to pull off the actual cover right here. And also, safety warning, but since we're actually doing this to the e-brake, which is aka the only thing that keeps the car from not moving, I suggest, you know, putting the car into like second or something. And I already put wheel chokes in both the front wheels, just in case so the car wouldn't roll back or nothing. So go ahead and time lapse right. Pretty much that's your e-brake. It's just a little rubber fake leather thing. After that, push the shift boot down. You can see all the glue that's been on it. Oh, it's kind of nasty, to be honest. Kind of want to wipe it down, but I guess we'll keep it a little rigid for the new one. So moving on to the next one. For this actual button right here, I don't have like a rubber band, but I might go find one if I need it. But what I plan on doing is just taking this microfiber, getting these little pliers, and just clamping it down like this, like so, and just like twisting it. I don't know if they even did anything. So this thing's dirty as hell. Let's see. I might have to go get a rubber band, to be honest. But yeah, just clamping it down. All right, I'm gonna go find a rubber band. I'll be right back with y'all. All right, so I got the rubber band, but I kind of want to see what it looks like with just the actual carbon fiber on here. And I left it in the car. I'll be right back again. All right, so now with the handle, let's see what this even looks like. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I thought it didn't fit for a second. Actually, it's kind of tight. I'll put this on. I'd rather put this on whenever everything's on. Let's just take the actual thing off. Go ahead and just wrap it around like so. Alright, so after looking around my house for a little bit, I couldn't really find anything. I did notice that this actually moved a little bit, but I couldn't really find like a rubber piece. So I found this Lego wheel. It's still rubber, but hopefully like this could actually work. So I'm gonna go and clean this off and then hop right back onto this. So we'll see. All right, y'all, I made progress, but bad news is I kind of damaged the button a little bit. Not too bad. Then I kind of said, fuck it. Just grab the clamp and just kind of did it with that. I don't wonder why it's glued in. No wonder why. I was wondering why it was so hard. But yeah, pretty much eventually get this off. You can definitely see all the scratches that I've done to it. It's not bad, like nothing on the top, but on the side you can see it. I'm trying to see if I can push the spring down and clean at least the little entry of the thing. And also it is switched to the right, your right, not the left. It's like what kind of threw me off a little bit. But, you know, with this on now, that's done. So, go ahead and grab your new e-brake and just kind of shimmy it down. It just slides right down. It's a little tricky, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, wait. Up a little bit. Make sure to put down this bottom corner right here in the front. Go ahead and loop the boot. Loop the boot over it if you can. If not, then so once you get over that, it's like the main thing. That's pretty much down. Now for the actual button, what I want to do, push it in and twist it to the left. You don't want to do too much. It's already torqued down to Subaru spec. Let's try it. Looks good. What do I feel like it's too long? Up, down, up. It's all good. I mean, that's pretty much the install, but I'm gonna try to fix this part up real quick. Alrighty, y'all. That's pretty much the whole install. Let me go ahead, move the camera so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so here's what it looks like right there, installed. The button adds a little bit of length, because if you put the e-brake down, it used to end like right there. But now, I really do like the actual grip for it. This one's like a lot more malleable, so it felt kind of weird and kind of cheap, but this one feels really good.
The end of the video today, that was supposed to be a quick and easy install. It was a more time consuming than I thought install. Still relatively easy as the button. The button kind of caught me off guard a little bit because I was expecting not to be able to damage it, but I still damaged it. So actually, let me show y'all real quick. So here's the actual button. Like I said, the top part isn't bad. It's just the side has all the grip marks. I mean, I really did try, but eventually I just kind of said, fuck it, and just use the pliers or whatever they're called to just take it off. But to be honest with y'all, still, at the end of the day, I still love it. It looks so good in the car. Looking at it right now, it just makes the car look a little bit more luxury, even though that is real carbon and this is not. I kind of want to do something about that, but you know, it's kind of the same thing at the end, but look at that. That new setup. Imagine like they didn't have this shit. Like that. Clean. But I really do hope y'all enjoyed the video. I found it a little learn from it a little bit. That's what I meant to say. You know what? I'll give that install a good 7 to 8 out of 10. You know, because it still does help the car look a little bit. And I like the feel of it more. But tune in next time to see me get rid of these, because these are horrible. So I'll be what's it called, getting some tint to cover that whole chrome part right there, and it'll be gloss black, so it'll be a lot better like that. And make sure y'all go down, like, subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications so y'all know when I post next week. And after the stickers, well, after the little vinyl wrap for the headlight, y'all gonna know what's happening. It's gonna be the time to do it. But I hope y'all liked the video. Peace.